Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we'll take a look at some hidden features that you may not have known available on One UI 3.0 and 3.1. There are some features that are quite simple, but it turns out to be quite useful when you know about it. Okay, let's just take a look at all of the features. The first feature is that you can directly open the pop-up view directly from the notification panel. When a notification arrives in the notification panel, you can really tap and hold on the notification section, then wait for a while so that the display will look like this. Here you can directly open notifications from notification panel into a pop-up view. You just put the icon in the middle of the display. And if you want to open it in split screen view, you can also directly drag it to the top or bottom. However, you can only open it in split screen view while opening another application. So here we can only open it in pop-up view. And here we can open notifications directly into pop-up view. And for the second feature, you can also open notifications directly in split screen view while opening another application. Here let's open the YouTube application, then here let's say we get a notification from WhatsApp app. Then we can directly open it in split screen view. The method is the same as the previous one. We just have to press and hold for a while, then we just drag it up or drag it down. The way is almost the same as before, but the only difference is its position. And you can only open it in split screen view while opening another application. So the notifications that you get can be directly opened in split screen view or pop-up view by using this quick shortcut. Then the third feature, you can also open a pop-up view directly from the recent apps section. The usual method on recent apps to open application in pop-up view is tapping on its icon, then select open in pop-up view. And the application will open in pop-up view like this. But there is also a new faster way than that usual method, because you can directly select the application from this section and you just press and hold just like before. And you can open it directly in pop-up view pretty quickly and easily. So you can directly open the application in pop-up view from the recent apps or task changes section by doing press and hold just like this. And you can easily open many applications in pop-up mode faster than before. For the second method, you can open them in split screen view and you can open them in pop-up view only. But from the notification panel, you can open it in split screen view and also in pop-up view mode. So besides from the notification panel section, you can also directly open application in pop-up view faster from the recent apps. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and also subscribe so you will get a notification when there is a new video from this channel. For those of you who want further discussion, you can directly write in the comment section or in the Telegram channel or directly DM us on our Instagram account as Entertainment. See you in the next video.